planer and jazz. We'll go to the white lines, go to the white line. Oh, I lost my spray mark. Always find white's the best colour to see. I don't like, yellow's good, red is a dreadful colour. Like a dreadful colour. It seems to just go dark straight away. I'm, as we all know, partial to a bit of yellow. Tim guys coming to have a nose. Sounds like a train, like choo 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 choo, cutting, yeah, cutting through. And that's us done now. Give us a timber. Come on, plane, off you go. There we go. Sweep. We'll sweep a bit of the edge out first. Force it all into the hole. I do need to clean out this bucket because it's just mounted up with sweeper planes. I'll do that when we get 5 fit them in. And we can, yeah, I'll clean the bucket out. Some more patches down this side. I'll have to, I might be able to get them ones actually this side. Sometimes it's easy just turning it around because obviously, you know, I can only go curb edge, left hand side. You can get most of the stuff, to be honest with you. You're only talking about the 10% of the other way. Trying to do my best sweeping before somebody annihilates me on a video for being a dreadful operator. But I do not profess to be a good operator. Whenever I do all these operator challenges, I usually fail drastically. On the old backer one plant ops, I dropped one of the buckets. Actually, yeah, I dropped one bucket and then the whole bucket went down. Yeah, it was an embarrassing day. We won't relive that one. Sure, I bet someone's got the footage of it that'll one day will come out. As maybe if I give somebody jip online like a joke, they'll ruin me and my credentials. So yeah. For the dog to walk past. Don't want to scare the dog. Yeah, we don't want to be sending any dogs nervous breakdown. Oh well, the dog's gone. We're just letting the brake work its way down. A little nice flick at the end, probably taken out far too much. There you go. I did order a sucker, to be fair, so it should be being delivered today. Rip that one. I'm really going to have to tie this, but clean this bucket out with a shovel. It's just where the wet planings get mowed up in it. Yeah, it's ruddy horrible. Yeah, it's not nice when we get the dry planings fly in and out. But the wet just turns them soft. Sweep that up and then we can move on to the next patches. Spin it around, the plane taking off. I think a load of Ryanair take off today, they said, for the weekend. I imagine here next week will be busy with planes with the bank holiday and all that jazz too. To be fair with you, I'll just knock that one out. I hate not smooth edges. I'm just going to knock on like that. Well, just to get it even smoother. There's a lot of water in the end here. Like I say, if you're doing, you know, big patches, you need the water on board. That's why I make sure I'm full with it. Because we're sweeping up next to an edge there. It's just, yeah, there's no edge really. And then we can get on to the next one. Going to dump this in the old tippet. I think we're on the opposite side now, so we do a bit of slowing, speed ourselves up a bit. Put this on here and then turn the knob to go forward. The lads doing the drainage dips, grips, ditches. Turned up with a Kubota mini digger, so yeah, we can we'll rip these out now. So just coming to have a nosy while the last tarmac up the last patch. There's a few more down there, but there's trucks in the way. People are doing bits, so yeah, thought I'd leave them to it. So yeah, 14 ton over these patches before the surface dressing program continues. Look at that one. Oh, nice. I think I've lost it. No, I haven't lost it. And then yeah, we've got some more big ones where the trucks were, but unfortunately, say we can't have a nosy at them. And I'll turn the camera off down here because while they're working. But yeah, there's the sprider. Just look at the machine. Oh. Super sexy for a digger. Yeah, probably get in trouble with that comment by somebody. Bit sad, isn't it? So yeah, but yeah, no, that's me done. Gonna dump the water actually Got a valve here. Don't know if it's freezing overnight. So yeah, dump it and then we haven't got to worry about. That's the one for the planer, and then I've just done the one for the sweeper. I haven't got to worry about if it freezes or frost or anything like that. And then we can drive to Pottery Fields, another depot. So if you like new content, hit the subscribe, like, and all that jazz, and thank you for watching.